It's hard not to get excited when you see things on Kickstarter, on GoFundMe, or this groundbreaking technology, all these promises from companies and things like that. So for me, it's really hard to not get excited, and I'm not really responsible with my money, so I kind of back a lot of projects on Kickstarter. But so far, I haven't had any bad, like terrible experiences where the companies didn't deliver. And today, I'm gonna be unboxing one of those companies that I backed, I think almost a year ago, and it's the Flowmotion one. They make these 3-axis mobile phone stabilizers like DJI, Osmo, and all the other ones that you've seen around that a lot of filmmakers use. Now, I got this product about 3 weeks ago, and I still haven't opened it because I kind of lost the interest in it because I waited for so long after backing the project. But I finally have it, so let's get to unboxing this thing and see what's in it. And I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but maybe I'll find some use for it. I haven't read any reviews on this. I don't know how it works even. So this is gonna be a completely first impressions video for this product. Alright, so I have the box. It's right here, and there's not much to it. It's just a box, and it has Flowmotion's logo on it, and that's about it. And I ripped off all my like personal information because I know you guys on the internet are crazy. And I have a screwdriver, so let's get in the box. I should have got a knife or something because the screwdriver makes it pretty hard to open this box. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. What a nice note. A million thanks from the Flowmotion team, and then signatures from a bunch of people. I always get excited when a company like Flowmotion or any company that actually crowdfunds their project and they actually follow through and deliver. Crowdfunding platforms themselves are amazing in allowing companies and ideas to grow, and I think it's awesome, but a lot of ideas fail and a lot of companies don't deliver. So Flowmotion is one of them that delivered, which is amazing. Let's get back into the box. And wow, they actually have like this retail packaging, which is nice. I thought it would just be a cardboard box with the product in it, but that's not the case, which is awesome. Whoa. Okay. Nothing else. So really well done on the packaging. They made sure that things don't slide out or move around with all the cardboards and stuff like that. So well done. And this is it. This is the Flowmotion 1 smartphone stabilizer. Wow. The presentation, guys. Well done. I need a better set because I keep dropping stuff. But anyway, in my last unboxing I dropped my watch, and now this, I keep dropping packaging materials. Wow, okay. So we have some warranty information. Good to have. Like a little guide thing, which is nice. Let's make better videos. I'm probably gonna have to read this, so I'm gonna keep it here and not drop it, and everything else can go down on the floor. Okay. Yep, this is good. This looks good. I don't know how it's gonna be like to use, but so far, packaging material is good. Carrying case is nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this small unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you know what to do. And if you love my content and you want to see more of my face and the stuff I have planned for you, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you know every time I upload a next video. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.